In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Hubspot account permanently. This is a step-by-step guide aimed at helping you navigate the Hubspot interface to ensure your account is closed for good. Before we dive in, it's essential to be certain that you want to go through with this process, as deleting your account is irreversible. Make sure to back up any crucial data you might need in the future. Okay, let's get started. First, open your internet browser and visit HubSpot's homepage. You can do this by typing in hubspot.com in your browser's address bar. Once you're there, the next thing you'll need to do is log into your account. Look for the login button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. Enter your login credentials and you'll be taken directly to your HubSpot dashboard. Now that you're logged in, head over to your HubSpot homepage. This is essentially your control center for everything you do within HubSpot. At this point, you want to navigate to your profile. Simply look for your profile icon, which is typically situated in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From the drop-down menu, select Account and Billing. This option will take you into the section where all the administrative functions of your HubSpot account are housed. Once you've made it into this section, you should find the option labeled Delete Account. Clicking on this will bring you to the next step in the process. A new page will open asking if you're sure you want to delete your account. This page serves as a final confirmation step to ensure you're making this decision consciously. Click on the Delete Account button again. Keep in mind this action cannot be undone. Once you click, your account will begin the process towards permanent deletion. It's important to remember that by deleting your account, you lose all your contacts, data, and previous activity history associated with it. If there's anything important you want to save, be sure to export it beforehand. Make sure this is really what you want to do, as recovering your information afterward won't be possible. And there you have it. Following these steps will guide you through the permanent deletion of your HubSpot account. If you encounter any issues or have questions during the process, consider checking HubSpot's support resources, as they can provide additional guidance. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.